Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for subscribing and also clicking on the notification bell. I've got another unboxing here today, and this item, believe me, it is something that I have literally gone crazy over, looking for and wanting since I first saw it on Instagram. So a little bit about how I sourced the product. I managed to get in touch with an SA from New Bond Street. His name was Richard, and I also called the client services. Surprise, surprise, they actually were willing to help me. They put me on a wait list, and that wait list, I thought, you know what, I'll never get it. About 4 days later, they sent me an email saying, we've got your size in stock, would you like to come and would you like to pay for it, and also you can do a click and collect, or you can send it to the store of your choice. So of course I sent it to the store of my choice, which is New Bond Street. A shout out to Richard. He does amazing service, one of the best SAs I've ever talked to and brought stuff from, well knowledgeable and everything like that. Anyway, let's get down to the product itself. It came in this big bag here, as you can see. I actually literally dragged this around with me throughout the whole day. I didn't think it would be this big. So let me just take it out of the box. Well, it's quite heavy. I forgot how heavy it is. So this is what it came in. Usually I haven't bought anything of what I've got now before, so it'll be, just let me know, did you receive it in this big of a box, or I don't know. I just anyway, so as you can see, it literally comes in a slide out, so I'm pretty sure you lot might know what this is, because I think that gives it away. 2 dust bags. Okay, let me just put this down. So it comes with a few things. Sorry about that. Comes with a few things. The payment method. I believe actually these have gone up already because of the whole price increase that LV had recently. So I usually thought they'd come with a smaller one of this, but they haven't. It's just normal size. And let's see, I haven't checked as well. Thank you for shopping with LV, so and so. That's that. The receipt, exchange, and whatnot. And comes with this. I'll tell you what that is in a second. So this is not a true unboxing, unfortunately, because I had to try it on in the store to make sure it was my size. I do feel like I can actually go a size down in these, so let me show you, get a sneak peek of what it is, because yeah, that's right, it is the Denim sneakers. And let me tell you, these are actually really nice. Just like, look at them. It was between these or the transparent ones. The reason I'm still actually sourcing the transparent ones, the reason I didn't get the transparent ones and wasn't so eager to get them is because paying £750 for them and then having them steam up and maybe in the future, who knows, crack from the wear and tear. So I was just literally like keen on these, and I had my eyes set on these as well from day one. So let me just see. It's got some writing inside of it, never knew that. Anyway, these are a size 8. I'm usually at 8.5, and they recommend you should go down a full size, so I do believe that I can actually go to 7.5, but I wasn't too sure, and I just said size 8 because I did try another pair of these on in a different style, so I literally was like, let me just go safe side and go for 8. I can always double up on the socks or whatnot. But that is that one. It's got literally all of this is denim. This bit here is plastic here, and then over here you've got the white laces. Now with the laces, I mean, you don't really have to have them white. You can always change them if you wanted to. And then the sole underneath has got Vuitton, and it's all plastic here, as you can see. And you can just about see that there's a bit of orange bit there. And then you've got the, I don't know if it's going to come on because it's clear. You've got like the 3 little logos there. And then it's like a mesh bit here with the LV sign. And it's got about 3 different denim colours. So the lighter one, then it's got the dark one, and then the medium tone colour. The tongue on it is LV, and this is like a rubberized texture one, so I think they'll be pretty easy to clean these. I did try them on. I did feel a bit weird walking in these. I don't know because if they're not my size or whether or not it's just the way they're made, but I'm used to you walking with like a bit of a curve on my on the tip here, but these, as you can see, they're very flat. So when you walk, this bit literally is flat. There's no back bit there. Anyway, that's something I had literally like felt. So, oh, and let me show you the back as well. It's got the stripes there. That, I believe, is just plastic as well. The only thing that concerns me is wearing these with jeans is that it will literally here get colour transfer, and the socks as well, as you can see, because it's literally white all inside. And I just did notice over here it has some red writing in there, and it says, I think it's 2A, I'm not too sure, a bit weird, but Get Together LV. It's got writing on the inside of it. So that's the left pair. Let me just get the other pair out, the other side out. They're very durable by the looks of it. I mean, this one's a bit, oh well, it's a bit weird, but I don't know if you can see. It's like got lines all here. It's not going to show up, is it? Can you see the lines? I think that's just how it's made, because that one and that one's literally, it's got it on both. But that is it. Together, there you go. They're so lovely. I mean, they're beautiful. I've wanted a pair of LV sneakers for a very long time, and I mean, getting these, I was like, yeah, I had my eyes set on these basically. It was these or the all black ones they brought out last time, but I think going with these was the right choice. These come in at £750. I do believe that they had a price increase already to £775, I believe, because I was looking at the transparent ones and they went up as well. They come with an extra pair of laces just in case. What else do they come with? Yeah, extra pair of laces, and they also come with 2 dust bags just in case you need to put them, well, if you want to put them separately, I guess, for when you travel. And I mean, that's about it. I mean, they are really, really nice. It is hard to get your hands on these now, unfortunately, because they're literally just sold out, and I've been going to the Selfridges one for such a long time and asking like them and the SAs whether they're going to get it in stock or not, and they're just like, we don't know. I mean, if you're willing to pay for the product, I don't understand why it's so hard for them to get, or why they don't make enough of the product. It's just weird. I don't know if they do it purposely so it creates more hype around the product or not. What do you think? Like, comment down below. Do you feel like you should be chasing them to get you the product, especially when you're always buying stuff from like LV? I just feel like you shouldn't be able to chase after a product that you need. They should be literally like coming to you and be like, we have your size, we're gonna find it for you, or you know, source it for you. But it just seems as these days it's just like really hard to like even, they don't even do transfers from store to store, which is a bit silly in my eyes. As Dior, literally, they will literally, if it's in France, they will get it for you, or anywhere, they will source it from somewhere else and then bring it to the store that you shop out. Anyway, I thought this would be a quick video of the new trainers, the Denim LV trainers. If you like them, comment down below. What is your take on these? Would you buy them, or the plastic ones that, well, I keep saying plastic or transparent, they're the transparent ones. What would you go for? Let me know and comment down below. These are made in Italy, by the way, just to let you know. And then comment down below and let me know whether you'll buy a pair. And thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. And remember to click the notification bell so you get all the updates on my channel. Thank you. Bye.